good morning, good morning. Welcome to MG Bibs vlog. So, for today's video is we are here in the nature under a lot of trees. In Italiano, siamo nel bosco. So this area is the name is Liscina Licinta. This is the picnic area, and especially it's super hot, so it's nice to stay here to getting a fresh air because very fresh here under the trees because a lot of trees and a lot of also tables like a picnic area tables. So if you want to have a family to do a picnic, so you can come here. So this is Tuscany belongs, and yeah, I can see a lot. There is a car also here, and people come here to do a fresh air. So me and my family, we are here just visiting here and relaxing a few minutes, a few hours, and then after that we're going back home. So yeah, and I don't know possible to bring a swing, own swing like in Italiano is amaca. So look, this is the area, my dear friends. I have a photo, and in the back of that one, as you can see, that's a table. And where I am right now, there is a table also here. And we bring food. You can bring your own food. Make sure you're not throwing your garbage. But I did not see trash can garbage here. Maybe somewhere near in the roads there is a trash can garbage, but here in this inside on this area there is no trash can garbage. But I'm sure in the outside near in the roads, I'm sure there is a trash can garbage. So yeah, this is good, and my baby enjoying also to walk over here. Now he's playing with his baby stroller. He's trying to learn how to lock the baby stroller. And my husband is here in front of me. Hi. Ciao. I try to teasing my husband. I'm gonna be speak English my vlog for today. And yeah, it's true, my friend. It's so fresh here. A lot of trees, a big trees. Leonardo, it's Bloca Passigino. You cannot move that one. So yeah, I enjoy also. Let me check my baby. My baby trying to move that one? I'm scared gonna be full down. Wait. Okay, now you can go. There is a big rock here, Leonardo. You need to be careful. Yeah, this is the area, my dear friend. As you can see, a lot of leaves. A lot of leaves. See, you can spingy. Spingy is forte. So, my baby disturbing me. See, you can do. You can walk alone. This is the main road over there. See, a lot of rock also, but need to be careful. Need to be careful. And a lot of tables for eating or picnic. Never been here. It's like from the house of my father-in-law is like 2 minutes or 3 minutes. So yeah. So this is our day just to make relaxing a few hours, and later on we're gonna going to the lake here. We're gonna be going swimming, and yeah. Me and my husband go swimming, and my father-in-law stay in the house because it's hard to walk for him and a long walk. So I'm gonna show you in the lake where we're gonna going also later. So that's another vlog. So MG Bibs have a new content, and yeah, I'm walking baby stroller with my baby. Here the baby stroller, but my baby also pushing the baby stroller and me because he like to explore here in this area. We bring food and water. Make sure we have water because it's so hot here. Super fresh. fresh, fresh, fresh. That's it, guys, and see you on the next vlog. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe, and click the button below. Subscribe my YouTube channel, MG Bibs, my Facebook page, MG Bibs, my TikTok is Mary Jane Barrel, my Instagram Barrelit09, my personal account Facebook is MGBPS. See you!